Oh, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Gavin, and we back at it again with another one. So, it's night out. As you can see, I got this bright light on my face, and I can't see anything in front of me, so please don't walk in front of me, SB. I have a pretty cool car that we added to the collection. Boom! CLA 250, 2021. It's nice. So today, we're gonna do a little bit of airflow to it. Boom, air intake wrapped to keep it cool because it's sitting right on top of the turbo and the downpipe. Thank you, Mercedes. Air filter right here. So this is what we're going to be changing today. We'll pop this off right now. Got to remove a couple of screws. The module might be able to just stay on. Damn, that thing is hot. Why would they put this right on top of the air filter? Because it's metal, like that's toasty right now, dude. Anyways, German engineering at its finest. So, couple of screws. We're gonna pop this off and we're gonna slap this K&N air intake filter on here and get like 1 horsepower. But I got the sticker, so we're gonna gain like 5 horsepower. So let's go ahead and get it. Came in a nice box. That's the part number right there. Official NASCAR. No hassle, lifetime warranty. Yeah, baby. Cool, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Why this plastic's all topped open. There you go. Alright, we got this swag. So these air filters are already pre-oiled, as you can see. That bit is slick. So careful where you set it. You're gonna set it right here. So we got Torx bits. Perfect. So we got 1 screw here. 1 screw here on the corner. Shine back here, please. Way back here, please. Thank you. Got another one way back here. And shine over here, please. I think we got one more in this corner. Jeez Louise. Holy. And then we got a new air filter piece that's gonna, instead of running from the stock one right here, it's gonna run straight to right here and hook in right here. So we're gonna get that direct airflow, baby. So it's weird too, with these screws, what you'll have to do is once you loosen the first portion, you'll notice that it'll keep spinning. So at that point, once it's spinning and not backing itself out, you'll have to lift the actual screw and continue to back the screw out. So we got a screw way back down here under this engine harness. It's kind of tough to see right now. It is right under this. You can barely see where it's supposed to go, but you'll find it. So that is that. So in order to get to the last freaking screw that they hide behind all of these electronic wires, you don't necessarily have to disconnect this one right here, but I did anyways. But you do have to disconnect the connection right here. That specific said connection is controlled with this little module right here. And it's simply pulled back. All you do is press forward and pull on the whole connection itself, and it'll come free. So let's get that last pesky screw. And it's in a funny position too, so like... Yeah. Oh God.
This
is what happens when you get distracted.
Oh my God.
This should just lift off. Alright, we're just gonna finesse this out like that.
Jeez.
There we go.
That
Old
looks
filter.
clean.
Brand new filter compared to the K&N. A little bit thinner on the K&N, not the paper, so it's going to definitely breathe a lot better. Pop that one in. All is connected right, cool. Probably not. Alright, so check this out, y'all. This is how this connector will connect. Simply pop it right back on, press, and watch as you pull this back. This one too. Air filter, 4 screws, Torx bits. You'll also have 2 connectors right here with the gray piece. You'll simply pull this back and pull at the same time. This one, you'll simply pull this one back as well. And there's a little push pin right up top here. Push that as you pull, this will pop back. From there you'll be able to take off the 4 Torx bits located on all 4 corners. And this one's hidden back here. You don't have to remove off the module right here. You can leave it on. You'll have enough clearance to simply lift up the air box itself and go ahead and take that off. So let's start it up and let's see how it sounds. Make sure to remember to put on your heat shield cover back on this. There's going to be a couple of holes. 1, 2, 3. Line it up. 2, 3. Alright, you can go ahead and start it. Cool, so we got it installed. Let's give it a couple of revs just to see what it sounds like. Hey, rev it a little bit. Nice. So in addition to that, there was one piece that I had already taken off of the vehicle because I'm replacing it for the AMG version. Let me show you where this goes, just so y'all know what to do if you still have the stock OEM on. One more time. Cool, let me show y'all where this goes. This is gonna be to the stock air filter location. I do have the AMG one coming in. So let me show you how this will all work. So this right here, this is going to be the OEM piece for the non-AMG CLA 250s. This portion, this top portion right here, will connect to the air box. This square will connect to the air dam that runs along right here. So whenever I first got the vehicle, I went ahead and removed this piece. The rubber simply just unhooks right here. These clips, it's not going to be these top clips right here. It's going to be this side clip that hooks in right over here. So you'll simply pop this puppy off and pull this. And what I'm doing, we'll have the AMG one that will connect to this portion right here and directly straight into the air box. So instead of having the intake right on top of the downpipe and turbo right over here, it'll be getting direct colder air, direct airflow throughout there, straight into there. Boom, boom, there to there. So whenever I first got the car, I removed this, went ahead and pulled this off because my theory was instead of having hot airflow through here and getting it baked, I'll pull this off for the time being so that it can pull air through there. My AMG air duct will be here tomorrow. So once we get that, we'll be ready to rock and roll. So cool. So I appreciate you all for tuning in again. It's your boy Gavin with another one. Hope y'all enjoy it. What's going on, brother? How are y'all? Good, good. So I hope y'all enjoy it. This is another video with the CLA. We'll see what happens next to it. Probably get some luring springs and exhaust, race chip, and then call it a day. There's not much aftermarket world out here for this vehicle, but we're gonna do the small things because they all add up. Thanks for watching. Y'all stay tuned for another one. Your boy Gavin, out.